Hi, welcome to 5-Minute Frequency Tune-Up. I'm Susan Kennard. Mother Mary is with us today. Now, she wishes to give us some comfort and joy, and she says that now is the time for us to really step into our power. But it's really hard for us to step into our power, especially as a Divine Feminine, if we do not feel that sense of safety. So join me. We're together for about 5 minutes. I hope you enjoy this. Take this time for you, and if you like this video, please share it and subscribe, and make sure you come every Friday for our 5-minute frequency tune-ups. Okay, come into your heart space. Just take a lovely deep breath. And breathe out with a sound. As we ground into our Earth Star under our feet, and we connect with our Soul Star above our head. We reconnect into the knowing that we are divine, that we are source energy, that there is no separation. And we invite the angels and guides to be present with us, to surround us with their beautiful, loving energy. Open your heart to receive the healing as Mother Mary steps in. She wishes to come in and heal your heart so that you may stand more fully in your power, and to release any fears of not feeling safe in this world. So take a deep breath, and I want you to imagine filling your heart with beautiful pink, soft pink, golden sparkling light. Feeling the safety within, knowing that you are never on your own, that you are always supported, loved, adored and honoured by those who chose to come in with you in this lifetime. The unseen beings, the light beings, the angels, the ascended masters, your council, they chose you. So please take Mother Mary's love and call on her whenever you need her. Take a deep breath. And let me know how you feel in the comments. Thank you so much for joining me on 5-Minute Frequency Tune-Up. If you want to find me, susankennard.co.uk. Much love for now.